Everybody's John Deere Man 2009. And a couple days ago we got a big snowstorm here in Michigan. I'm going to get the tape measure out, see how much we got. Just going to pick out a random location here. Well, about a foot there, but it depends on what location I'm measuring in. I'll step around here and I'll show you the snow I've been piling up. Snow was so deep my 160 wouldn't even push it, so I had to get out the 5460 to plow it all up, and then went behind it with the 160 to finish it up. Quite a bit of snow we got here. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Take care, guys.